Extra Alpha Victor Foxtrot Victor, RNAV Docker, wind 23012, gust 18, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
RNAV Docker, clear for takeoff 25 right, X-ray Alpha Victor Foxtrot Victor.
Cargo King 222 Heavy, runway 25 right, full length, line up and wait.
Lava over there, runway 25 right, up full length, Cargo King 222.
Cargo King 222 Heavy, RNAV Docker, wind 23012, gust 18, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
RNAV Docker, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff, Cargo King 222.
Alaska 1352, Los Angeles Tower, caution wake turbulence, traffic will cross, your discretion, runway 25 right, line up and wait.
Left runway 25 right, out discretion, Alaska 1352.
Extra Alpha Victor Foxtrot Victor, contact SoCal departure.
Contact departure, X-ray Alpha Victor Foxtrot Victor, good day.
Air France 072 Heavy, taxi Hotel Lima, hold short of runway 25 right.
Hotel Lima, hold short 25 right, Air France 072.
Air France 072 Heavy at Lima, cross runway 25 right and contact ground on 121.75.
At Lima, cross 25 right and 12175, Air France 072 Heavy.
Cargo King 222 Heavy, contact SoCal departure.
Have a good day, Cargo King 222.
So American 1881, show the final outside Juju.
American 1881, Los Angeles Tower, wind 23012, gust 19, runway 25 left, center line.
So right, 25 left, American 81.
Alaska 1352 on F Docker, wind 23011, gust 19, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
On F Docker 35 right, for takeoff, Alaska 1352.
Spearwing 1043, Los Angeles Tower, runway 25 right, line up and wait.
Runway 25 right, line up and wait, Spearwing.